This video will demonstrate the use of special tool, engine holding stand. It is used on the vehicle underbody before removing the transmission in diesel vehicles. It supports the engine after removal of transmission. Using engine holding stand. Lift the vehicle on a 2-post lift and remove the left side plastic cover. Loosen the front suspension frame mounting bolts using suitable tools. Remove the mounting bolts. Place the special tool by pointing its hook towards the vehicle front as shown. To avoid damage to drain plug, maintain gap between the radiator drain plug and the special tool. Install the special tool on the front suspension frame with the help of the mounting bolts removed earlier. Tighten the mounting bolts using suitable tools. Tool has a loose bracket which should rest on the engine as shown. Place bracket on the sliding arm of the special tool. Move the sliding arm up to the point of engine support. Tighten the screw of the sliding arm so that it firmly supports the engine. The transmission can now be safely removed from the engine by referring to the service manual. Advantages and benefits. This tool provides adequate support to the engine after removing the transmission. This prevents damage to engine mountings and hoses. It also results in easy and quick removal of the transmission, which reduces time to complete the job.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.